Hello, my dear students, and welcome to Unacademy. Today, myself, that is Shabukta Japuri ma'am, is going to teach you how to crack your MCQs. So let's get started without wasting any time. So today, I am going to discuss with you five strategies by which you will be able to ace your MCQs exams. So let's get started, children. The first and very foremost, okay, which you all neglect, okay, is being calm. Okay, so whenever the exam starts, your brain has to be extremely calm. Don't panic at all. Okay, because if your mind is not calm, you tend to tick on the wrong option, or your mind is not stable. So first and foremost, for solving MCQs, your mind has to be extremely calm. So be happy. If you can't be calm, okay, if the anxiety level is rising too high, then just before the exam begins, okay, just take deep breaths, take deep long breaths in, hold it and then release. Or else what you can do is take a pencil, okay, keep it in your mouth like this. So the smiling face releases anxiety instantly. So these are my tips of being calm just before the MCQ paper examinations. Okay. Now, second and very important tip is time management. Okay. This has been proved scientifically by many people, by many scientists and many authors. So first is to divide your time into three parts. First 15 minutes, okay, in first 15 minutes you'll just go through the paper. So it is very important to go through the paper. Many a times what students do, they directly jump onto the first question, start solving it. They panic, and then in the time gets over, and by the time they reach, by the time the paper is about to get over, okay, and they are left with so many questions at the end which were very easy. So what you have to do, in the first 15 minutes, you have to go through the paper. So while you are going through the paper, what happens is, there are many easy questions in between, which you know the obvious answers of. So you will just keep on ticking them. So in the 15 minutes time, okay, when you are skimming through the paper, when you are reading through the paper, you're going through the paper, you tick many of the answers. Also, few of the questions remain at the back of your mind, and while you are solving later on, then the idea clicks, okay, and you find clues also in between. So first 15 minutes are very important. You have to go through each and every question in first 15 minutes, and whichever questions answer, keep on ticking it. Okay, so these are your very crucial first 15 minutes. Now the next 30 minutes is when you actually sit and solve the paper one by one. So as and when you are getting a tough question, don't waste your time there. Just go ahead. Okay, and while you are doing the next sums, the idea might click, okay, and you might be able to solve it. You might get some clues. So next 30 minutes is you solve the paper. Leave the tough questions aside and quickly solve the paper in 30 minutes. Okay, then the last 15 minutes, you will again come back to those questions which you have left, the tough questions, and by the time you reach here, now you might have got some clue, you might have clicked the answer, then you do it. Then in the last 15 minutes also, it's the time for some intelligent guesswork. Okay, so I'll also tell you later on in the class how to do intelligent guesswork. Okay, so my second tip was time management. Third is careful reading. Okay, you have to read the question carefully. Many times I've seen students, when they see the options and the first one looks very obvious to them, and then they tick it and they ignore the next options. So don't do that. Always, even if you know the answer really well, read all the four options, because you never know, the second, third option may also be correct, and there might be an option in the end saying all of the above, right? So be careful. Most of the time examiners give you tricky questions. So the first might look the obvious answer to it, but it might not. The second might be a very perfect answer to it. The first might be partially correct. Okay, so read all the four options before choosing any one. Okay, so that is my third tip. Then tip number 4 is use your options and choose the correct one. Okay, So what is use your options and choose the correct one? You have to read all the 4 options and then see in the question where is it matching. Okay, sometimes what happens is you don't know the answer of that particular question. Then when you see the options, okay, you might relate to the question. Okay, sometimes what happens in mathematics, a very easy method is to put the options back into the question and try to see if the equation is balancing. So if the equation balances with any of the options, then that option is the correct answer. For example, if you are solving a quadratic equation or a linear equations in 2 variables, you might not be able to work up maybe the factorization method or the formula method or the elimination or substitution method. Then what you'll do is you are running short of time. Just see the options and go back to the question. Try to equate it. Okay. Next tip is to match the units. Sometimes in the options, the unit that you are looking for example, if you're talking about length, the unit should be centimeter, meter. So if you are getting a kilogram or a liter, that option is not correct at all, right? So try to match the unit if you don't know the particular answer and try to narrow down your choices. And the last and the most important strategy is to practice, practice, practice. Lots of practice. Okay. So whichever topic you are studying, you have to study everything about it, solve a lot of MCQs on that very topic. Okay. Make your own questions and solve. Okay. This is the most important tip and this will never fail you. So how do you guys practice? Join my special free live classes on Unacademy. Download the app today itself. There I keep on conducting a lot of MCQs. Okay, especially for mathematics if you want. So how to go about for my live classes, see here. And what is there in live special classes for Unacademy? So in Unacademy, we have live real-time interaction using chats and emojis. You can ask me questions using the question tab. So while I'm in the class, the other students are in the class, you have a question. You send me the question in the question tab. It will appear on my screen and on the screen of everyone who's there in the class. Then I will tell you the answer to it, right? And the query gets solved then and there. Right? So special live classes of Unacademy are really useful. Also, we solved so many MCQs using polls. Okay, and we show the poll leaderboard and you get to compete with your friends and the environment is so much full of fun and you get real good practice of your MCQs. So how to join my special class, children? Just download the Unacademy Learners app today itself. Download the Unacademy Learner app, open the app and click on Get Started. Then you will have to fill your mobile number, your email ID, and then you have to choose the goal you are preparing for. You are in which goal you are preparing for. Are you in the school? Then you select your class. Which language would you prefer to learn in? Whether you want to learn in English or Hindi or Marathi or whatever. So that way your journey with Unacademy starts. And the best part is it is completely free of cost. So go to the description of this video and click on the special class link. Okay, click on notify me and you'll get notified 10 minutes before my class begins. Okay, so children, what are you guys waiting for? Download the Unacademy app right now. Use my code. My code is SJMamLife. So if you use this code, you'll be able to unlock the free special classes. After you join in, you can watch the classes of any of the educators. And on Unacademy, we have the top educators of India. So download the Unacademy app right now and ace your MCQs with us.